Can you explain to somebody when you say like some colors are hard to tattoo with?
Magenta is an easy one. It's transparent. So how it looks coming out of, we'll call it the tube, is very different from how it behaves in the skin. With that transparency, a lot of the times a pure magenta color won't look as dark as it does as an actual pigment. It'll kind of like lose 50% of its value. Now it'll stay like that, but it's better for mixing because the actual pigment itself is a bit flaky.
And when you say pigment, are you talking about like the ingredient that makes that color?
The core pigment that makes it that tone. Like you've seen tattoo artists' setups, like there's that shell that builds up on the top.
Yeah.
Right? That's the pigment returning to its natural state. So that's like the highest concentration.
And that's why you shake the bottle?
Yes, exactly. And so that's evaporating all the stuff that's mixed together to make that like a transferable solution. Like that's all dried up and starts to collect at the top. That's pure, that's the pigment as it is by itself. And so like if you're ever tattooing with magenta, it doesn't really do that. And so you can see how these colors will behave differently in the palette by how they respond. If it has a higher concentration of titanium dioxide in it, which is white, it typically dries out and becomes a harder shell on top. And that pigment itself is a pretty large molecule.